Yeah, this is rock. Donaway Rock. Welcome to the spirit of exploration and immersive experiences here at the Grassroots Travel Group. Standing right here, the beautiful Coptic country, here in the Maroon town. Yes, actually, I'm here. Check out this scenery. This is just after the rain has just drizzled, and this is look at the mist and the beautiful sunset. Yes, this is the mountains, the area, the town, the village, the region, the parish of, yes, the Maroons. Yes. Put this on your bucket list, guys. Put this on your bucket list. Yes. The Maroons are our ancestors. The ancestors of divine resilience. Yes. Yeah, we are here in the Coptic country. Definitely coming to Jamaica, you have to visit this destination here in the Maroon district.